Did you know that dentists are astonished by the Miswak? And it's actually a miracle. The Miswak is an organic toothbrush made from the root or branches of a tree found in Arabia and was used by Prophet Muhammad over 1400 years ago. Meanwhile, the modern day toothbrush was only invented in 1938. Miswak can be used without water and toothpaste. It contains more than 19 beneficial chemicals, including fluoride to strengthen enamel and prevent cavities, silica to remove plaque and stains, sodium bicarbonate, which is a whitening agent, essential oils for fresh breath, vitamin C for strong gums and reduce inflammation, and alkaloids, which contains antibacterial properties. On top of all of this, Miswak is zero waste, biodegradable, and requires no plastics, toothpaste, or electricity. In 2003, a study found that Miswak was more effective than conventional toothbrushes for reducing plaque and gingivitis. How crazy is that? Even the World Health Organization recommends Miswak. Whether you're Muslim or not, we should all be using the Miswak, just like the Prophet did. What do you guys think?